welcome back to Vijay Academy. Please subscribe to my channel to get the notifications when I am posting the videos related to mathematics class 10. So in this video I am explaining the 1 mark questions from SSLC model question paper 22-23. The first question is, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression is an equals to 3n plus 1, then the fourth term of the progression is dash. So we have to find the fourth term of the arithmetic progression. Nth term of the arithmetic progression is given. So using the nth term of the arithmetic progression, we can find any term of the arithmetic progression. So to find the first term of the arithmetic progression, replace n by 1. To find the second term of the arithmetic progression, replace n by 2. So similarly, to find the fourth term of the arithmetic progression, replace n by 4. So here we are finding the fourth term, so replace n by 4 in the given arithmetic, means in the given nth term. So a4 equals to 3 times 4 plus 1. So 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So option B is the correct answer. Second question. The rational number having a non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion in the following is. So we have to identify a rational number which is having a non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. So it's very simple. In the denominator, in the prime factorization of the denominator, if we have any factor other than 2 and 5. So I'll repeat. The prime factorization of the denominator contains any factor other than 2 and 5. Other than 2 and 5, then such rational number will be a non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. So in these four rational numbers, the third rational number, that is option C, it contains 7 as the factor other than 2 and 5. So this particular rational number will have the non-terminating and repeating decimal expansions. So option C is the correct answer. Then what about option A, B and D? So these are terminating decimal expansions. A, B and D are terminating decimal expansions. So option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Yeah. Question number 3. In a class, the number of boys is 5 more than the number of girls. The linear equation form of this statement is. So how to form the linear equation for the particular statement given here, taking the number of boys as x and the number of girls as y. So it's very clear that number of boys is 5 more than the number of girls. That means number of boys are 5 more, means 5 boys are more than the number of girls. So if you subtract the number of girls from the number of boys, you will get 5. That is, the difference between the number of boys and number of girls is 5. So the difference is x minus y equals to 5. So option A is correct answer. Then question number 4. The quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of the zeros are 4 and 5 respectively. So here the sum of zeros is 4 and product of the zeros is 5. So how to form the polynomial for this sum and product of the zeros given? So it's very simple. We have the quadratic polynomial, that is x square minus of sum of the zeros into x plus the product of the zeros. So just replace the sum and product by its value. So we get the answer x square minus the sum is 4. So write 4x and the product of the zeros is 5. So write 5 here. So option D is the correct answer. That is x square minus 4x plus 5. Moving on to question number 5. The coordinates of the midpoint, it's a midpoint of the line segment joining the points 4, 3 and 2, 1 is dash. So we know the midpoint formula, that is P of x, y or m of x, y. So anything you can take, either P of x, y or m of x, y. So m of x, y equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So just substitute the values here. So first point we can take it as x1, y1, second point take it as x2 and y2. So substitute these values here, that is x1 should be replaced by 4 and x2 should be replaced by 2 divided by 2, and y1 plus y2, y1 is 3 and y2 is 1 divided by 2. So we get 6 by 2 and 4 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3 and 4 by 2 is 2. So option C is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 6. So here let us apply the similar triangles concept. So in the figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF if AB equals to 3 cm, BC equals to 4 cm and DE equals to 4.5, then the measure of EF is dash. So to find the measure of EF, we know that when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So let us take AB by DE equals to BC by EF and substitute all the values given here. AB is 3 and DE is 4.5, BC is 4 and we need to find EF. So just simplify this by by doing the cross multiplication. So 3 into EF, we get 3 times EF equals to 4 into 4.5. So just multiply 4 into 4.5, we get 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18. So it is 18.0, so that is 18 itself. So transpose 3 to RHS, it goes to division. So EF equals to 18 divided by 3. So 18 is divisible by 3 for 6 times. So EF equals to 6 centimeter. So the answer is option B, 6 centimeter. Question number 7. In the figure, BP and BQ are the tangents to the circle with the center O. If angle OPQ equals to 20 degree, then the measure of angle PBQ is dash. So it's very simple. Actually, the relationship between this particular angle, that is OPQ and PBQ, is actually angle PBQ. Angle PBQ is always equal to 2 times the angle OPQ. That is angle between the tangents, that is PBQ. Angle between the tangents, that is PBQ, is always twice the angle between the radius, and the chords joining the points of contacts from which the tangents are drawn. So it is very simple, just multiply 2 into 20, we get the angle PBQ, that is 40 degree. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 8. The total surface area of the solid given in the figure is, so it is a cone. So we know the total surface area of the cone is, that is pi r into r plus L centimeter square. So option C is the correct answer. Then question number 9. Find the HCF of 7 and 11. 7 and 11 are co-primes. 7 and 11 are co-primes. The meaning of co-primes is the two numbers which do not have a common factor. So 7 and 11, they do not have a common factor. So therefore the HCF of 7 and 11 is 1. How many solutions do the pair of linear equations has if the lines represented by them are coincident? The meaning of coincident lines are one line lies on the other line. So both the lines will represent the same line. Therefore, every point on these lines are the solutions. So it has infinitely many solutions. Coincident lines will have infinitely many solutions. Similarly, for intersecting lines, we will have unique solution, and for parallel lines, we will have no solutions. Question number 11. Write the degree of the polynomial p of x equals to x square plus 2x cubed minus 5x raised to the power 4 plus 6. So the meaning of degree is highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable in the polynomial. So in this the highest power is 4. So degree is 4. So degree of this polynomial is 4. Then so here the degree means the powers are 2, 3 and 4, out of which 4 is highest. Question number 12. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So the formula for discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. From this equation we can note down the value of a is 1, value of b is minus 2 and value of c is minus 3. Comparing the given equation with the standard form of the equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a is 1, b is minus 2 and c is minus 3. So let us substitute these values in the discriminant. So b is replaced by minus 2. So minus 2 the whole square, then minus 4 into a value is 1 and c value is minus 3. So minus 2 the whole square is plus 4, then minus 4 into 1 into minus 3, that will give you plus 12. So 4 plus 12 is 16. So discriminant of this equation is 16. Question number 13. Write the formula to find the volume of the frustum of a cone if the radii of its circular bases are r1 and r2 and its height is h. So volume of the frustum of cone is 1 by 3 pi into h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Cubic units.